सगळं पॉसिबल.
मी सेंड केली मॅम, ते नव्हतं दिसत आणि लॅपटॉपमध्ये
हे बघा आता हे व्हिडिओ सुरू झालेला आहे. फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स PPT prepared by Rudra Jadhav. Contents of this slide are alkyl halide, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, nitrile, ether, ester, carboxylic acid, amines. Alkyl halides formula is RX, where X is chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, means halo group, and it is used as a prefix, right? Now these are some examples where there is a propyl chloride is there, ethyl iodide is there, and methyl bromide is there. So these are primary in nature because this Cl is, or the iodine, bromine, these halogens are in a terminal position. Now in this case, halo group is attached in a secondary position, means halo group attached to secondary carbon. Carbon which is further attached to carbon which is further attached to two other carbon atoms, right? And here in this case tertiary, that means this halo group bromine, chlorine is attached to carbon which is tertiary in nature. Three carbons are there. Moving towards next slide, we have alcohol. Its formula is ROH. Prefix hydroxy is used. If it is used as a suffix, then OL is preferred. Now in this case, methanol is there, ethanol, propanol, isopropanol. All these are primary alcohols. No, these are primary alcohols where OH is at the terminal position, and this OH is attached to secondary carbon atom. That means this is isopropanol. Now this is aldehyde. Its formula is RCHO. Its prefix, if it is used as a prefix, it is formyl, or sometimes only C double bond O, that is oxo, is mentioned. If it is used as a suffix, in that case it is called as AL or aldehyde. Both are preferred. Now here in this case we have formaldehyde, methanol, ethanol, benzene carbaldehyde, right? Or in other common naming nomenclature we can say this is formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, हे वाला घ्यायचं हायलायटर, मग त्याने आपल्याला अजून चांगलं सांगता येतं. आता आपण जे बोलतोय सगळं रेकॉर्ड होतं आहे टोटल. सो इट कॅन बी कॉल्ड ॲज फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, ॲसिटल्डिहाइड, बेन्झल्डिहाइड. नाउ दिस इज कीटोन वेअर देर इज अ R dash group. If it is as a prefix, it is mentioned as oxo. If it is used as suffix, it is called as ONE, that is ketone. Similarly, we have propanone, which is called as dimethyl ketone, or acetone, it can be called as acetone, acetophenone, phenyl, methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl first, because alphabetically M comes first after before the P. M comes first, therefore it is called as methyl phenyl ketone. And another name for that is acetophenone. This is aceto group, and acetophenone, it is called as acetophenone. This is benzophenone, benzophenone, which is also called as diphenyl ketone. Now see next part, nitrile, that is R C triple bond N. This is wrong actually. तेच चुकून झालं. Cyclohexane carbonitrile. This is called as cyclohexane carbonitrile. benzene carbonitrile. Benzene carbonitrile. This is 3-chloro-cyclopentane 1-carbonitrile. 3-chloro. Chlorine is at third position. Therefore, it is 3-chloro. Ether, ROR. Prefix, it is used as oxy. Suffix, it is called as ether. Very good. Dimethyl ether, ethyl, methyl ether. Alphabetically, E comes first, M comes later. Now ester, its structural formula is RCOOR dash. While giving IUPAC name, this R dash is mentioned as a prefix first. Suppose this is methyl, it will be at the start, and suffix it will be O8 or can be called as a 8. Now in case of methyl acetate, methyl means this R dash. R dash will come first, and this part comprising of 2 carbons, therefore it is called as acetate. Now this is ethyl, that will come first, and as this include 2 carbons, therefore it will be called as acetate. Now moving towards next slide, this is RCOOH, that means carboxylic acid. Its suffix will be, of course it is oic acid. Acetic acid, butanoic acid. Acid because it involves 2 carbons, and butanoic acid because it involves 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Therefore it is butanoic acid. Amines, these are primary amines, RNH2. Prefix, if it is used as a prefix, it will be amino, and if it is used as suffix, it will be called as amine. So primary amine is there, RNH2. Secondary amine is there, RNH, R-NH means NH. And tertiary amine is also there, where there is a nitrogen. So these are primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. So thank you all for watching this video. Here we will end with the today's discussion.